Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So guys, everyone have own business, like own YouTube channel. How to making a free logo? So that's the purpose. How many websites are there? First one, Shopify.com. Second one, The Hoth. Third one will be Canva. Canva logo nothing much. Just you can select by logo size will be here 500 by 500. The image will be designed by JPG. If we translate by PNG purpose, we can use for remove.bg. This will be JPG to PNG. But if you come into Shopify or the Hoth, they will be design images by will be two options. Just you can click for new one here. They will be called text, symbol, shapes. Lot of things are there. Depend on you can start by the everything here to make a logo. Add shape. Say this one. These are the particular shape. See more symbol. So which is a highlighted one. Add by the symbols also. Here will be in this top the category wise. Which is useful we can add by here in this marketing. So here every option will be there in a particular categories. So there's all lot of categories are there. Web, particular web. So in this, these are all your icons. Select icon. Once I select the icon, they come here. After that, text here. After this logo making, you can change a lot of things are there. Color you can change. Anything will be possible. Here will be which is a suitable. You can add by the color here. So yeah, very patience required. Here, anything you can change. Here, format. Different formats are there. Which form you can use? You can use the format. You can use this option here. So I'm adding this logo here. So this will be very need to patience to make a logo. Symbols, shapes. This will be business part. Or else you can upload by your own option. The upload by own image, like your book or any kind of icon you can select here. So just I'm using this symbol to make a logo. There's no copyright for any kind of symbols in this particular website. And save and continue. Here, nothing to work out. Only email ID is work out. Click for save and continue. Exactly in 1 minute of time, the complete option will be download. So you can check for here, copy in this. I can show the three website. Right now I'm showing first will be 34.com. So most of the people worry about logo. Some using for Photoshop, Corel Draw, lot of websites are using. Only any website will be required. Just you can use this website and you go for the particular option. So this is the way we have to making for logos. So before download we can check the preview also. So here is the one. Next one, These are one of the website, Shopify. This will first of all login is important. So login is there. Yeah, they already give you the templates. Based on template, you can start the logo. Here, fashion, health and beauty, home and garden, food and drinks, sports and rec, technology. So I'm selecting tech. Next. After that, we can selecting for any kind of options. Creative. Next. Business name. I'm selecting for in this slogan. Learn digital marketing. Here, purpose of all social media, printer, swag, business card, everything. How many options are required? You can select by all options. But I'm selecting only for two options, online store and website, social media. Click for next. This is also same procedure. You can select the particular procedure. We have to select by the logos here. The logo will be downloaded by the JPG, PNG format and different styles for social media purpose and your website purpose. Here you can select any kind of options. Which one is suitable here? I have liked this option. Select by here. Finally, here will be click for next. Option will be here. Click for download in this particular option. Download it. The download will be start on your particular email address will be mentioned by the sign up email ID. So this is the mail ID you can log in a particular purpose. You click for download here. They go to where in a particular email address. So this also will be received by where email address. Previous one email and this one also will be email address. Next one Canva. Here Canva also same. Lot of web and designs are there. Select the best design. I'm selecting this option. Just I'm showing for here. This video only I tell you that. So how will be creating for particular logo. This will be helped by in this for here. Click for done. Is a JPG. Click for download. Here one more option is there. This will be same will be here. Download by video format. Two will be accepted. The logo will be video format and a JPG format. Any JPG, PNG purpose, we can use the remove.bg option where you can download. Go for it. That is a JPG will be converted as a transparent image. So white is not visible. Change your color and change your JPG format and download it. There will be download for JPG to PNG format and open your emails. How they receive the emails are here. You can check it out will be both website in your logos. Just go to our login email. They will be showing for update one anything. You can go to here. Is there sometimes taking time here 1 to 2 minutes time. You need the patience for download the every email to the logos purpose. Here this will be Shopify. Next will be offer the oath. So I can give the slow screen to understanding purpose. So that will be help on your particular how will be log in the particular option. Now will be make the logo. So just you have to need some patience. How we can I can select add and change your logo and color, add your text. Suppose text will be not there. You can add the symbols DR. Just use a symbol from computer also. But coming to Shopify, existing template we can use to making a logo. No other options. So this is a way we can log in logos and download it, and the zip file will be unzip and use a different methods here. So here I'm showing in this option. You have to wait for the certain seconds. Here the logo. What are the logo you can prepare? The logo will be here. The JPG, PNG format, everything will be here. This will be PNG, JPG, and PNG. Next one, there is the Shopify, where it is here as full extract file in this. These are all your particular social media website logos, including favicon also is given, and PNG images also will be given particular each and every social media and website purpose. Follow this website, make a logo, and no need to go for Photoshop, Corel and paid marketing tools to making a logo purpose. Use these websites and create a logo for your YouTube and website purpose. Any need information, ask my channel Digital Rakesh will be support, and we can give the guidance for how to make a logo option. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Don't miss to like, share and subscribe our channel.